Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh. So you wouldn't have seen a vlog last week because we literally had a cyclone. Like Brisbane and Gold Coast, so southeast Queensland, got hit with Cyclone Alfred, or it's now ex-tropical cyclone Alfred, and it didn't quite make its way onto land as a cyclone. It did downgrade into whatever it does. But it literally, the aftermath of the cyclone was worse than the preparation and lead up to the cyclone, especially where I am in Brisbane. We had so many trees down. We literally were like, everything's sweet, we didn't lose power, etc. And then we lost power Saturday night or Saturday afternoon, and we didn't get it back until Sunday afternoon. And yeah, it just I still had so much to do. The post office shut on Thursday or Friday, I can't even remember now, and I'm finally getting there this morning to post everyone's orders, which include the pre-orders for the laptop cases, which by the way I hadn't gotten the bias binding done, so I was really really if I had lost power I would literally not be able to do that. But I got the totes done. I didn't get a few custom orders done, but that is fine. They're not behind or anything. But I just couldn't believe the events of last week. We were literally waiting out since the Monday, prepping for this cyclone that just felt like it was not coming. It kept getting delayed. And then yeah, it just Sunday and over the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, it went to really bad. We're fortunate enough that not too much damage was done. Our home was fine. There's a lot of flooding around. But yeah, finally getting back into it. I finally feel like things are back to normal. This is literally the first bit of sun I've had since it all happened. To even film anything, I have had to have my garage closed, so the lighting was just so bad last week. But back on the grind. I have a really exciting week coming up. I'm so nervous. I couldn't really sleep last night thinking about all of it. Yeah, I will show you guys. I don't know if it'll be this vlog or the next vlog, but it's just so exciting and a lot of change is happening. Let's go to the post office, and then I also have to go to Officeworks to get packing tape because I too ran out of that. And yeah, let's do it. So I just arrived at the post office and it is still closed. So the after hours little door thing that I always drop off at is closed, and it's 8:33. So the main post office opens at 9, and it still says on the door we are closed until it's safe to reopen. So I can see people arriving, but that little door being closed is making me scared. I don't know if it's going to reopen today, but everyone's still there. I can see them walking around in the background. So what I'm going to do is actually go to Officeworks first, and hopefully I'll be done by 9 o'clock, and then I can come back and see if they're open. And then if not, I have to go home because this is crazy. It makes sense, because how would the delivery drivers drive around and deliver parcels? Which is so sad. Anyway, but there's literally nothing I can do. Morning guys, hope you're doing well. In the studio today I'm going to make a laptop sleeve this morning, so I thought I would take you along for the vlog because there's not much in this vlog this week. But yeah, I'm also thinking about launching mystery boxes again, because with the whole practicing of the laptop sleeves, I have a lot of laptop sleeves that didn't work out. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus samples. So I'm thinking about putting them into mystery boxes, because they just have little faults on them, gathering. And then my final ones have extra like stability in them. So, but like these would be good if you're just like not really worried about that. So I'm thinking about launching mystery boxes so I can put them in there, because I'm not going to throw away that many laptop sleeves, and I don't need one. I mean, I'm already using one, so I don't need that many. So yeah, I'm thinking about launching them. I would probably launch them next Monday. What would be that? 17th, Monday the 17th. So if I do that, I need to also film a video promo for it. So we might do all of that today, but let's get started with a laptop sleeve, and we need to make it in blueberry. So what I'm going to do is I have my fabric here, and just going to quilt this up. I'm just going to double check that's the right one. Yes, I already have a gusset for it, and I'm not going to quilt more than I need because I'm a little bit short on time. So 1, 2, blueberry. I'm just going to give this a quick iron, and then I'm going to quilt it and come back. Here are these like little birds, and I've just seen them in the tree. Oh, they are so cute. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. They were literally just here before. I want them to come back. They were so cute. They're literally my favorite birds. Okay, now that's quilted. I'm going to cut out the template. Alrighty, we are all finished. I'm just going to turn it inside out right now. All finished. Let's pop a tag on it, and she'll be ready to go. And that one's all ready to go. Come with me to spend $10,000. I'm literally so nervous. Like, honestly, this is the most I've ever spent in one go, but I just got the email saying my payment is due. So I thought we could do it together. Obviously, I will reveal what all this is for super soon, but for now, this has to happen. So I have two amounts to pay. One is just under $4,000 and the other is just under $6,000. So together it's like 9,900 something. And so I'm going to, I've already like double checked it before I turned the camera on, and I got another person to have a look at it. So it's all ready to go. All right. It doesn't even feel that bad. It's so fine. It's so fine. Okay, save receipt and send. Airdrop. Ready to go. And then email, call. Thank you so much for this. Please receive it. Okay. Sent. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's done. I honestly can't wait to start talking about it. Good morning, guys. I look a little bit different because it's actually Saturday, so I'm doing all of my house chores. I just tried to mow the lawn, but the lawnmower decided not to work, so I had to, with my head hung low, walk it back inside. Embarrassing. Anyway, I'm just packing up a laptop sleeve. I should probably show you. I literally love the chocolate. Like, there's just something about it. I don't know. It's just so good. But I'm just packing up a laptop sleeve. This one is for Chelsea, I believe. And I fulfilled the order yesterday. So I just want to get this off to the post office. Because I'm doing a little thank you card. I've been seeing like your unboxings with the laptop sleeves. I've seen 2 now, which is like more than I normally get. And I think that is, I'm just obsessed with them. Like, I think they are so cute. I'm going to pop this keychain into this one as well. And yes, I'm going to pop it in a sleeve. Yeah, I just think they are so cute. Yeah, this order got delayed because of the cyclone, so I just wanted to make sure I got it out as quick as possible. Yeah, I'm actually going to go grab a coffee. I have to do some groceries, and then I think I'm going to paint today because I need a day of like no sew. So I'm going to do that and work on my next print. Hopefully something comes to me. I started painting last weekend, and then yeah, just to like see what's coming to me. I got some blueberries out. I really like them, but I'm just scared about the color, so I'm just gonna try again, and yeah, see how we go.